This is the only strategy you need to grow a small Forex or crypto account, and it's completely beginner friendly. Today, we're cracking open the secret to supply and demand zones. And no, you won't be spending hours drawing lines. I'm going to show you how the FluxCharts supply and demand zones indicator does all the heavy lifting. This is a game changer for any beginner trader looking to grow a small account fast. Alright, so you've got the TradingView open, right? First thing, pick up your market seriously, whether it's Forex pair, crypto, stocks, or commodities. This trading strategy works across the board. And for time frames, you can go fast like 1 minute, great for a scalping strategy, 5 minute, 15 minute, all the way up to daily. For this example, I'm gonna stick with gold on the 15-minute chart. Now, the FluxCharts MPF supply and demand zones indicator is awesome at finding those super accurate zones. But here's the cool part. The key to really making it shine, trading with the trend direction. We want to focus on supply and demand breakouts. So let's tweak those settings a bit. Head over to the indicator settings. You want to set the detection method to momentum, sensitivity to medium, and zone and validation to close. And this is crucial, disable the retest signal and enable the break option. This sets us up perfectly for those trend following breakout trades, giving us a clear buy and sell signals. Okay, check out this gold 15-minute chart. See that supply zone the indicator identified? We're looking for a break above it, and boom, as soon as the price pushes through that supply zone, the indicator throws us a B signal. That means break. That's our green light for a buy order on the bullish breakout. This is a simple way how to trade for beginners. It works the same way for demand zone. See the demand zone right here? The price breaks below it, the indicator gives us that B signal, and just like that, we can open a sell position. Even if we look at the past, same story, a demand zone, a bearish breakout signal, and another potential sell. It's consistent and gives clear buy and sell signals. But wait a second, the indicator is fantastic on its own, but there's one simple way to make it even more powerful, especially for growing a small trading account. How? By adding a super straightforward free TradingView indicator called EMA Cloud. Don't skip this part, and it's essential for confirming trend direction. So just jump back to TradingView, go to indicators, type in EMA Cloud and grab the Repster EMA Clouds from the results. This creates those cool color ribbons like a cloud above or below your candle. It's awesome for seeing the long-term trend, but we gotta adjust it. In its settings, under the Inputs tab, first change the MA type to SMA. Then we only need EMA Cloud 5 enabled. Change the short EMA 5 to 200. And the EMA long length to 250. And finally, set the source to close. Now, here's what that means. When you see a green cloud with the price staying above it, that's your clear signal for an uptrend in the market. and a red cloud with the price below it, that's your downtrend confirmation. This helps you understand when to buy crypto or how to buy stocks with more confidence. Okay, so you've got the tools, right? The big question now is, how do we actually make money trading and grow a small account using this complete beginner trading strategy? It all comes back to that first rule. Trading with the trend direction. Seriously, this is key. So when a trend is clearly up, meaning the price is cruising above the green EMA cloud, you are only looking for buy trades. This is crucial risk management trading. Here's exactly what you do. You spot a supply zone identified by your indicator. Then you just potentially wait for the price to break above that zone and for the indicator to give you that break signal. That break signal, that's your ticket. That's your momentum to open a buy position. For your stop loss, you place it right at the most recent swing low. And for your profit target, we're aiming for 2R, meaning twice your initial risk. It's that simple to manage your trades and make money trading. Now for sell trades, it's basically the flip side. When the trend is down, when the price is clearly below that red EMA cloud, we're only looking for sell opportunities. You'll watch for a demand zone to get broken below by the price. Once you get the break signal from the indicator, that's your cue to open a sell position with your stop loss just above the most recent swing high. And yep, same deal for your profit target. Go for 2R. Easy, right? This entire TradingView strategy works for both buy and sells. And this is huge. By sticking to the trend like this, it's pretty obvious we're gonna skip all those counter trend signals. That means way fewer bad trades and way more winners for your account. This simple rule seriously helps you avoid those nasty losses, and it's a cornerstone of effective risk management trading. It's the best trading strategy for focusing on high probability setups. Now, if you want to get the FluxCharts MTF supply and demand zones indicator on your chart, so it automatically finds all these zones for you, all you got to do is to click the link I've put down in the description or check out the pinned comment below. It's right there for you.